Very clean race here, guys. Please work together, have fun. Let's get them all across this line for the first lap clean. That's what I want to see here. Congrats to Racing Bob, a very fast 56.401 for the TQ tonight. Good luck, drivers. Have fun. We are going green in less than 5. All right, nice clean start there. Nice checkup from LaDon. And we got a little top 4 breakaway right here. And the second 4 looking real clean as well. It's going to be Newberry, Amard, LaDon, and Levy. Top 4 grouped all together. Caution 3, caution 2. We're clear. And we got now it's going to be Amard out front, Newberry the 2. Careful going into 3, guys. Careful going to 3. We're clear, we're clear. It's Amard out front, Racing Bob, LaDon, and Levy. That's your top 4. Amard, all over the back door of Lepley. Lepley going to let him go by. Thank you. Amard, all white 99 coming up on the back of Logan Newberry. Your second place car is going to be the blue and yellow 36 of Racing Bob. Oh no, Amard and Logan get together. Can Amard keep it clean? Amard going to drop back to second right now. LaDon almost into the, Newberry out front now. Newberry's got some wide open track for about a half a lap here. Amard getting around Logan.
3 minutes left.
Your top 3 all right next to each other right here. What's it going to be? 105 down, 255 to go. It's Newberry, Amard, and LaDon. 1, 2, and 3. Amard all over the back door of Newberry right here. Caution in 1 and 2. Careful! Your 2-liter smashing the lap traffic. And LaDon now also having some trouble. Where's Amard? Amard actually got around it fairly clean, guys. Got to watch ahead for that traffic. Oh, LaDon's going to be broken. Oh no, the front of that car getting torn off here. And it's going to leave Amard out front. Racing Bob into 2, Levy into 3, Simonelli up to 4th, Ralph 5th. Tim Lepley dropping back to 6th. Where is your leader? Careful at 1 and 2, guys. Low 1 and 2. Your leader Amard now fast lap of the race, so 4-1-3-7 for Amard. That 99 machine. Newberry not far back, 4/10 back. They got Lepley in between them. Thank you, Tim. So now it's Amard and Newberry. Who's it going to be right here? Levy not far back either. Levy actually about to get lapped by your leader. He's fighting to stay on it. Can't get it done. Newberry dropping back just a bit right here. We got, looks like 6 cars left in this race with 1:40 to go. Amard, Racing Bob, Levy, Simonelli, Tim Lepley, and Ralph Lepley. Levy all over the back door of Amard, putting that pressure on there. Newberry needs to take advantage of this and try to make up some of this gap. Amard now to the inside of Ralph. Thank you, Ralph. Simonelli with your leader right behind you. Racing Bob in the blue and yellow 36 is second place. Looks like 3rd, 4th, and 5th. No real close battles right there from what I can tell. All about a half a lap apart. The race was for the lead. Bobby got caught up just a little bit right there. Not able to hang with Amard's sheer speed, it looks like. Because Amard is just railing right now. A 4.3 last time around for Amard. Let's check it out this time. A 4.179 right there. 4.295. So Amard continuing to gap the field. The gap is 2.7 right now to Newberry. Amard the only car in the 4-1 range here. $20 seconds to go. LaDon's going to re-enter the race right in front of Amard. Oh! Careful, guys, careful. Five seconds left, 5 seconds left. Everybody keep going until I call the race done. Oh, Newberry gets tangled up with Lepley. They both go flying into the wall. Nobody's broken. Everyone cross the line, you will be done. And that's a race, that's a race, that's a race. Woo! Simonelli, that was close. Sigh of relief from David right there. Amard taking the win, fast lap as well. 4.128 on lap number 28. Nice job, Chris. Racing Bob in that 2 spot with 56. Levy in the 3. Lepley for Simonelli, Ralph, Robert, and Logan. Let me get top 3 over to my table over here. Amard, Newberry, and Levy over to the table, please.